Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need One UI 7 and the latest system update. Once done, unlock the phone and swipe down twice to expose the full quick panel. You will see existing tiles and an edit control. Tap the three-dot menu or pencil icon to enter tile edit mode. This step exposes hidden tiles and the available icon library so you can move items. Make sure you're not in a third-party launcher that hides quick panel features, because customization happens in the system panel. Now find the dark mode tile among the inactive or available tiles. Once located, press and hold it and drag it into the active quick panel row where you want instant access. You can place it on the first page for one-swipe access and reorder neighboring tiles to avoid accidental taps. If a dark mode tile is already present but not visible, move it to the top row. After positioning, tap Done or Back to save changes so the quick panel reflects the new layout. To finish, swipe down and tap the new dark mode icon to toggle the theme. You'll see UI elements switch immediately. If tapping the icon doesn't change the theme, open Settings, Display Dark Mode to confirm system behavior and make sure any scheduled dark theme isn't overriding the toggle. If the icon disappeared or never showed, restart the phone, re-enter Quick Panel Edit, or choose Reset Layout to restore missing tiles. That single restart or reset resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.